Okay, I'm recording this video just to show you what I carry with me when I'm going on a long journey. I think this might be useful for some people. It might be helpful and beneficial. I haven't yet gotten the ability to put the 80-liter tank, so I still have the 40-liter tank on this Jimny. And because of that, I carry 30 liters extra petrol. And I don't have a trailer yet, so I'm doing something that's a bit irresponsible. I put the fuel in the back here, but I balance the load properly. You can see RC car over here that's going to go somewhere in the car. But I also carry 1, 2, 3 fire extinguishers. In here is some more protective gear. And in the middle over here, you will see a brown bag. That is a medical bag. Over there, that's a fire blanket. In that medical bag, there's also a lot of burn protection. In the plastic bag in the corner there, there's 2 pints of oil, because we know Suzuki likes to use EC Star engine oil, a certain engine oil. So I bought 2 pints from Suzuki of the actual engine oil, just in case we need to top it up on the long journey. I have some water that I carry with me. I have 2 bottles of distilled water, just in case for any reason the engine coolant drops and we just need to top it up a bit. Distilled water would work, in an emergency situation. I also have quite a few tools over here. I've got every single spanner we would need over here to fix the car, from 8 to whatever size you can think of. I've got insulation tape, I've got 2 shifting spanners, I've got lights, I've got emergency lights, I've got clippers, as you can see, even a little foam sponge, and I've got 2 of these super fast tire repair kits. And I carry all of this plus a lot more equipment up there at the front, in the center console. There's a knife over there hanging under the center console, just next to the keys by the Garmin. And that knife is just in case if we overturn the car and the seatbelts are locked, they can't come off. That knife, we quickly grab it and we can cut our seatbelts off. I've also got a pliers and a bit more tools in there that we use. And that's basically what I carry. I have 2 GPSs. I have 1 GPS running on the main screen over there, and another GPS up there, just confirming the route and confirming that everything is fine. I wanted to record this video just to give you guys a bit of insight. Over here, I've also got my buggy whip when I'm off-road, just to give a bit more visibility of where we are. And I've got recovery gear. I've got some recovery straps. We've got a winch on this vehicle, and we've got all the recovery gear we need. We've also got a tire repair kit in that pouch behind the chair. We've got numerous amount of parts and things that we carry with, and they're very light things. They're not that heavy. There's only 1 bag that's heavy. There's also a compressor under there, under those 2 recovery boxes, just in case we need to pump up the tire. So I'm just recording this as a video, as a point of reference for anyone who might be traveling and might want to think, or might be asking, what do you carry when you travel on a long journey? I go a bit over and above, because I had this situation in Zimbabwe where I was traveling and I needed to pump up some flat tires, and I was charged $1 per bar that they put into the car. So in some countries, air is not free, you have to pay for it. So I have my Ironman pump over there that connects to the Indiflate, that's also hidden behind the chairs under there. They're all packed in very neatly, nicely. It doesn't look so neat on the camera, but I can promise you, if I fold up my seats, you will see they're packed nicely, and we always carry those along. Along with that, I carry a jumper, special jump starter, just in case the battery gets flat with the fridge being on in here and the other devices connected. You never know where you might need it, but that's part of what I carry. I've got 2 emergency lights, and also I have emergency beacons, just so if anything happens. This vehicle is actually fitted with crash detection, and if a crash is detected on the vehicle, then it notifies family members and it notifies emergency. It also tells you, or tells them exactly on the app where we are and where the thing has happened. So we carry all that sort of gear with us. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this because a lot of people don't know what to carry when they travel. And you know, we faced so many situations where we've learned to actually carry the right things, you know, and we've learned to fit things together. So this is a rally build that will be coming soon on this channel, and we'll be using a just stock motor and a just stock hobby wing ESC. That's also coming soon. It's already here in the car. I haven't opened it or checked it or done anything yet because this is something we'll build after we reach our destination, which is quite a long way. We were testing out a new racing spec suspension on this vehicle, and we've got bigger tires. We've got the 30 by 9.5 R15 BF Goodrich, and it's worked quite well. I didn't bother actually washing the car because I knew we were gonna be traveling a long distance again. So when I reach my destination, we will clean up. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, cheers.